When you open Composer Pro and see this screen, it usually means one of two things. 1. You don't have a Composer Pro license installed, you need a valid license. 2. Your Composer Pro license has expired. In this video, I will show you how to fix the second issue. Composer Pro licenses must be renewed once a month. This applies to all Composer Pro licenses. During the last 10 days before the license expires, you will receive a notification asking if you want to renew your license. If you approve the renewal, the license will be renewed automatically. However, if you do not open Composer Pro during this period and the license expires, you will see the licensing screen we just mentioned. Open My Control4 and log in with your dealer or your technician account. Click Licenses tab on left main menu. Click Composer Pro Licenses tab on top menu. Click on the license you are trying to log in with in Composer Pro, and then click the Deactivate button on the right side of the license list below. If you do not renew your license, your Composer Pro license will appear as in use, and if you do not have any available licenses, you will not be able to log in to Composer Pro. After deactivating the license, you can log in to Composer Pro again with the same license. The problem is now fixed, and you can continue using Composer Pro.